Unlocking the Mystery of Stage Plots, a guide for beginners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're going to decipher an interesting phrase that's not just used in everyday English but is especially popular in the world of performing arts. Yes, you guessed it. We are talking about stage plots. Whether you're a music enthusiast, a budding stage performer, or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. So, let's dive in and unravel the secrets of stage plots together. A stage plot might sound like it's about a story that happens on stage, but it's actually not related to the plot of a play. In reality, a stage plot is a diagram or a visual representation that shows how a stage should be set up for a performance. It's like a map for musicians, technicians, and event organizers. This diagram typically includes the locations of the instruments, microphones, monitors, and other essential equipment. The key purpose of a stage plot is to ensure everyone involved in the performance knows exactly where everything needs to be, which helps in creating a smooth and efficient setup process. Let's look at the common elements you might find in a stage plot. You'll often see shapes and labels indicating where the drums, guitars, keyboards, and vocal mics go. There may also be notes about electrical outlets, lighting, and special effects. A detailed stage plot can also include information like the number of chairs needed, the placement of risers, or any other special requests from the performers. The more detailed it is, the better prepared the venue can be. This is why stage plots are a vital communication tool in live performances. Understanding what a stage plot is and why it's used can be beneficial for language learners in several ways. Firstly, it expands your vocabulary in the context of performing arts and technical setup. Secondly, knowing such phrases can be extremely useful if you're ever involved in organizing or participating in live performances. Moreover, it highlights the diversity of the English language and how specific terms can be crucial in certain industries. It's a great example of how English can be used in practical, real-world situations. And that's a wrap on stage plots. We hope this video has shed light on this specialized phrase and given you insight into its meaning and usage. Remember, learning English is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about understanding how the language is used in different fields and contexts. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this explanation helpful. If you're excited to learn more interesting English phrases and their meanings, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.